You can replace the light in your refrigerator freezer without having to contact a appliance repairman yourself. Here's how. I'm Eddie Field with Field Guide to DIY. Let's dive in. I don't have one of those pry bars, but what you want to do is you want to get under here. We're using a spatula to help pry it open without marring it. We probably should start on the back, but you have to pop each and every one of these clips off. Ah, okay.
Peel. Yeah.
Ah, man.
There you go.
Okay, that's the trim piece. Okay, lift that up from that panel. This is the old, and the new goes in like that. Very snug fit. And just pops right into place. Little extension cord you can take down. Oh, look at that. It's already lit. Hook that over that. Pop that up in position. Oh, that looks better. Then we snap the trim piece back in place.
Wonderful. The best. Give us in the shot. Okay.
And just like that, you don't need the lantern anymore. I get a great deal of joy and satisfaction from helping you save time and money. So if you have a project or a repair that you've been putting off, drop them in the comments below and you may see it in the next video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.